Good morning, children. I am Saligram Misra, teacher, Mahatma Gandhi Shikshan Sansthan. This video is of class 4 math exercise 5.1. In this exercise, we will read about factors. Children, to find the factors of any number, we find the product of these numbers. Like question number 1, find the factors of 18 by multiplication. So we will find the product that 18 is the product of numbers. We will start from 1. So we know every number has 1 as factor. So 1 into 18 is equal to 18. So first multiplication, first product, we write 18 is equal to 1 into 18. Now next number 2 and 18 is divisible by 2. So next product will be 2 and some number. So you know 2 9s are 18. So 2 into 9 is equal to 18. This is the next product. Now 3 into 6 is equal to 18. Next product you will find 4, and 4 is not 18 is not divisible by 4, so 4 is not the product of 18. 5, 18 is not divisible by 5. Next number is 6, and 6 already used. So when number already used, after that checking process is completed. Now you will write all the numbers of product in ascending order, and this is the, and then you will find the factors. So these are the factors. Thus the factors of 18 are, you see, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. In this way, you will find the factors of any number using this method. Okay, this answer is completed. Now second question, you see, write the common factors of the following numbers. Like numbers are 24 and 40. You have to find the common factor. So first of all, you will find the factors. Like in first question, you have find the factors. In the same way, you will find the factors of 24 and 40 in second question. Now you can use this in rough also. This process you have done in first question, you can do this in rough, and you just write the factors of the number. Like factors of 24 is equal to, and after doing rough you have got 1, 2, 3, because 124 is 24, 2 into 12 is equal to 24, 3 into 8 is equal to 24, 4 into 6 is equal to 24, 6 into 4 is equal to 24, 8 into 3 is equal to 24, 12 into 2 is equal to 24, and 24 ones are 24. 24 into 1 is equal to 24. So these are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. Now you will find the factors of 40, and factors of 40, 1 into 40 is equal to 40. So 1 you will write, 2 into 20 is equal to 40. So 2 you will write. Then 3 is not the factor of 40. 4 into 10 is equal to 40. So 4 you will write. 5 into 8 is equal to 40. 5 you will write. Then 8 into 5, 10 into 4, 20 into 2, 40 into 1. So these are the factors of 40. 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20 and 40. So you have, after calculating the factors, after finding the factors, we will see the common factors, the common number which are present in both the factors, in factor of 24 and in factor of 40. You see, 1 is common in 24 and 40, 2 is also common, 3 is not common, because 3 is the factor of 24 but 3 is not the factor of 40, so 3 is not common. Now 4 is common because 4 is the factor of 24 as well as 40, so 4 is common. Common number I have encircled. You can see 1 has encircled, 2 has encircled, 4 has encircled and then 8 has encircled. These are the common factors of these. Now you will write the answer. Thus, common factors of 24 and 40 are 1, 2, 4 and 8. Okay, children? In this way you will solve other questions of this exercise 5.1. Thank you.